Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the element bracket in your stove. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the bracket is missing or broken, and the element isn't seated properly on your stovetop. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So what we've got to do here, we're going to open up our oven door, and we've got these two screws right here that we have to remove. So we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. So now we'll take our stove top off by lifting up and tilting back, and then picking it up, and we'll set it off just slightly on one side. And the first thing I'm going to do is remove this grounding wire here, and I'm just using my 1/4-inch nut driver. And now I'm going to remove these two wire sets right here. Just going to unplug those. Pinch in and pull out. And now the whole assembly is free from the stove, so we can take that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it down on our work surface and on a towel so it doesn't get scratched up. So this here is the bracket we're going to be replacing. So it's just held on by a screw right there, and then it's got a little hook and it goes into this piece right here. So what you're also going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you take note of the number that's on the burner here, and you're going to want to make sure that when you take that off that you do remember that, because that's a little bit important. That will get everything lined up and back into place properly. And as you can see right here, the entire element came off pretty loose as soon as we undid that screw. So now if this was broken or wasn't in place, the element wouldn't be making proper contact with the cooktop, and you wouldn't be cooking things very efficiently with that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement bracket. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And what I'm going to do is this hook right here, I'm going to put into the tab right on that piece right there, and that'll sit right there just like that. And then our bracket has another hook right there, so you can see from where the other bracket was, there's still a hole there. So we're just going to put that back into that hole, and that'll line up our screw hole, and we can screw it back down. And now we'll put our cooktop on our stove. Now we'll reattach our grounding wire here. And now we'll reattach the rest of our wires, and all you have to do is push them straight in. Now I'm going to lift up the cooktop and angle it back, and then I'm going to line it up with the two plastic rests back in the back there. And once I've got that lined up, I can set the cooktop back down, and then I'll line up the screw holes on the bottom and screw it back in. And now you can close up your oven door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.